Today I'm doing a book review on how to draw anime and manga for beginners. I'm very excited to have been given this book by the authors because I actually have a lot of my own students who have requested that I teach them this style, but I don't draw in this style, so it's hard to teach something that I don't actually do on a regular basis. So I'm hoping, I've already looked through the book, I already think it's great, so I can tell you without even having to watch the whole video that it's a keeper. But if you want to see why, then keep watching. So as I do my own art books, I have 18 so far and one coming. What I appreciate about this one that I think they did really well is what is important to me for my readers of my books is to keep it simple and only have, a few things on each page. I have some drawing books that have like 20 steps on each page, and this is lots of white space, minimal steps on each one, and it just makes for a really genuinely good learning experience. So we start off with types of eyes, anime eyes, going over 3 styles: simple, complex, and cute. And as you can see them here laid out for you. So you're already getting more than you bargained for because you get lots of things already on page 4 and 5. Then we dive right into the guidelines you need to make to create those, and you are up and running on your way. And like I said, only 3 steps a page. I appreciate that so much. It's really hard to learn when things are small. The font is really big and clear to read on every page. The steps are broken down. One pair of eyes is broken down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. That's a good tutorial that you can actually genuinely follow. There's cute eyes. We have the heads, right? Basic head shapes. So there's 3, child, female, and male. We have different types of the head angles and pictures of all of them. And then we're going to go dive right into drawing of the front view. And as you can see, the proportions for anime and manga are very different than realistic. Realistic, the eyes line is in the middle, and this one is a lot farther down. So that's super important. But again, just a few steps on each page, so it's super clear. This is a great breakdown of how to draw the side of the head, very clear guidelines, step by step, minimal large font text showing you just what to do. I love this anatomy of the mouth, the great big mouth open, super handy. And then we do basic mouth types closed and open, and then doing some inside the mouth. I love an anime mouth because it's so minimal. It's kind of I don't know what I was going to say, breathtakingly easy. That's really weird. Just remarkably simple. Ears also broken down super simply for you. Anime hair, starting with a part, going out. I sort of teach it a similar way, but my graphics are different. And there's basic types of bangs, 1, 2, 3. How to draw basic female hairstyle. Long and sleek, and then they go through quite a number of different iterations, drawing the whole face, starting with a child's face, female's face. But again, look at how many steps it takes. It's really nice. It's very nicely and very clear to follow. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to be drawing one of the full-bodied figures in this book, so stay tuned. If you want to see sort of the learning in action, here's drawing a male face, drawing a female face side view, drawing a male face side view, drawing a female face 3/4 view. It's like really everything you need to know is here. Drawing an drawing a male face 3/4 view. And then I love this, they even have emotions in here. This is a very thorough book. I'll put a link in the description for you so you can grab it on Amazon. It's so good. And then they also have bodies. I mean, really look at all these exaggerated emotions. So many. And then they dive right into bodies. So we're only on page 54, and I feel like I have like a full skill set already. Parts of the body, male versus female. Side view male, side view female. We We have anime clothing. Everything is covered here, guys. How to draw basic top male, how to draw basic top female. I love the little action lines, are super helpful. You have basic types of tops, sleeves, collars, bottoms. Draw a basic skirt step by step. You know, it's so nice when you start with the legs and just one line, right? And then 5 simple sets gets you your completed skirt. It's so nicely broken down for you. Hats, hair things, feet, shoes. Oh my goodness. Look at all those types of shoes. Drawing basic and classic characters. So now we're getting into the full body characters. I can't wait to draw the one I'm gonna draw. Drawing basic characters of a young boy. That literally looks like my son Max. Like, that is his hair right now. This is my son Max. Age, just about to turn 15. So funny. Classic characters. There's a schoolgirl. There's a maid. Drawing classic characters of a sword fighter. And this is the part where I was like, ooh, I really like this book. Fun and unique characters. Magical girl. Now I'm really excited. Anything that's fantasy and magical, I love. A cyborg. Sign me up for some cyborg actions. Like, look at this. There's so much in here. Okay, I actually love her so much. A ninja. This book is great for kids, but it's also good for adults because I like to draw some of these things too. Look how cute she is. I mean, it's really kind of all ages friendly, but very approachable. I seriously love it. A shrine maiden. Yeah. Look how adorable she is. A butler. I want a butler. Who doesn't want a butler though, really? Look at how cute. Look how handsome that butler is. He's so cute. Cleric. I mean, this is amazing. He's really cool. He's got a scepter. Anyone who has a scepter, I'm in. I actually just made myself a scepter but 3 weeks ago to go to a full costume party. The goddess. This is the one I'm going to be doing. This is, I believe, the last one. Oh no, there's a basketball player. Gosh, it keeps going. Schoolgirl. Drawing chibi characters. Holy moly. I'm going to do the goddess actually right now because look how epic she is. Okay, so I'm going to draw this using their step-by-step right now. And then I'm actually going to hop over to my mixed media channel and I'm going to be reviewing this set of Essence watercolors by Prima. So if you want to, at the end of this video, if you want to click the end screen, that will take you over to this video where you can see how I'm going to do colored in mixed media style. So, but first we have to draw it step by step. So this is page 106 and let's begin. description box and click the next video where I will show you how I turn this fun manga illustration into a full-fledged mixed media masterpiece. I'll see you over there.